Today we will continue again solving the linear equations. Suppose x by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 4. So what you have to do is take the LCM of 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Then it is 2 times 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 1. So 2 to the 4 is LCM. So LCM is 4. Multiply 4 to all the terms. Means you are getting 4 into x by 2. 4 into x by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2 equals to 4 into 3 upon 4. This 4 is cancelled. This 2 cancelled here 2. 2 cancelled here 2. Means you are getting 2x plus 2 equals to 3. Now take this term to right side. Then you will get like that. 2x equals to 3 plus will be minus 2. Implies 2x equals to 1. Therefore x equals to 1 upon 2. X is 1 upon 2. Now see another question on this. X plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 equals to x by 6. X by 6. So take the same thing. You are going to do LCM 6, 3, 2. At least two numbers will be divisible. So you are writing 2, 2, 3 ja. Again 3 here, 2, 1 ja 2. Then it will go 3. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, then 1. So 3 2 ja 6. LCM is 6. LCM is 6 here. So multiply 6 to all the terms. Then you get 6 into x plus 1 by 3. 6 into x plus 1 by 3 plus 6 into 1 upon 2. 6 into x by 6. 6 cancelled. 2, 3, 3, 2. Now look, 2 will multiply to both. So what will you get? 2x plus 2 plus 3 equals to x. Implies 2x plus 5 equals to x. Now like term one side. Like term means this will go here. So implies 5 equals to x minus 2x. Implies 5 equals to minus x. Then what is x? X will be minus 5. X is minus 5. Okay. Then you see another question. Okay. 3x by 4 minus 1 upon 2 equals to x by 4 minus 3 upon 8. Same method. Take LCM of 4, 2, 4, 8. LCM 4, 2, 4, 8. 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1, 2 2, 2 4. Then 2, 1, 1, this is 1 because 2 will not go here. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Then 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 1 ja 2. So you are getting 8. So 8 you multiply. You are multiplying 8. 8 into 3x by 4 minus 8 into 1 upon 2 equals to 8 into x by 4 minus 8 into 3 upon 8. Okay, so what do you get? This is 2, this is 4, this is 2, this is cancelled 1. Then you are getting 6x minus 4 equals to 2x minus 3. Now like term, 2x will come here, 6x, 2x will come will be minus 2x, minus 3, minus 4 will go that side, plus 4, implies 4x equals to 4 minus 3, 1, x equals to 1 by 4. Okay, see another one. X plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 equals to 2x minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Same thing, take LCM of 3, 4, 4, 6. What is LCM? Three, 4, 4, 6. Two numbers should be divisible. 3 1 the 3 you take, 3 1 the 3. This is not divisible, keep like that. Then 3 2 the 6. Then it goes 2. 2 1, 2 2 the 4. 2 2 the 4. 2 1 the 2. Again 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 3 2 the 6 2 the 12. Multiply 12 to all. 12 into x plus 2 by 3 plus 12 into 1 by 4 equals to 12 into 2 terms you keep in the bracket, 2x minus 1 by 4 plus 12 into 1 upon 6. 12 into 1 upon 6. 3 4 ja 12. 4x, sorry, then cancel here. 3 4 3 ja 6 2 ja. 4 into x, 4x plus 8 plus 3 equals to 3 to the 6x minus 3, because 3 1 the 3 again here, plus 2, 2 1 the 2. Now 4x, add these two, plus 11 equals to 6x minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. After simplification, now like term. Like term means 4x minus 6x. This will come here. Minus 1, 11 go that side, minus 11. 4x minus 6x is minus 2x is minus 12. X equal to minus 12 by minus 2. X equals to 6. Okay, another time. 4x minus 2 plus 4 equals to 3x minus 2 plus 5. See the question? So open the bracket. 4x minus 2 plus 4 equals to 3x minus 2 plus 5. First you simplify like term. Simplify like term, what do you get? Implies 4x, 4 minus 2 is 2. 4x plus 2, 3x, 5 minus 2 plus 3. After simplification of numbers, now like term. Like term means 3x will come here. 4x minus 3x equals to 3 minus 2. So 4x minus 3x is x equals to 1. Okay. Now again one more question. 3 into m minus 2 plus 4. 3 into m minus 2 plus 4 is 1 minus 3m plus 5. So open the, so here is 2 into. So what will you get? Now 3 you multiply here with this. 3m minus 6. 3m minus 6 plus 4. 2 you multiply with these two. 2 minus 6m plus 5. Okay. Check the like terms again. 3m, these two are like terms, simplify. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Equals to 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5, 7 minus 6m. Okay, like term one side. 3m minus will come this side, 6m equals to 7 minus 2 will be plus 2. Implies 9m equals to 9. M equals to 9 by 9, that is 1. This is one pattern of question. Then you take another pattern. X plus 1 by 2x plus 3 equals to 7. How to solve? So like this, what you have to do is, you have to do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means x plus 1 equals to 7 into 2x plus 3. Makes this number will go here. So you are getting x plus 1 equals to 7 to the 14x. 7 3 the 21. Now like term, 14x will come this side. X minus 14x, 21x will go that side, minus 1 implies minus 13x is 20. X equals to 20 by minus 13. Okay, see again one more question. 5x by 2x minus 3 equals to 2 by 5, suppose 2 by 5. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means 5 will go here, this will go here. I am repeating, 5 will go here means 5x into 5. This will go here means 2 into 2x minus 3. 2 into 2x minus 3 implies 25x. 5x into 5, 25x. Now multiply 2 to the 4x minus 6 implies like term. 4x will come here. 25x minus 4x equals to minus 6. 21x equals to minus 6. X equals to minus 6 by 21. 3 2 ja 3 7. Therefore x equals to minus 2 by 7. So you have to solve all these questions like this.